Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something really fun and easy, and this time it's gonna be the bandages in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw something really simple, and these are just gonna be very geometric. So from the side here, we're gonna draw the ends first. Just gonna draw one curve like this. And then on the other side, we're going to draw the opposite curve. So round it out a little bit right here. And just draw the opposite curve. Okay? So it's just like an oval. So then from here, we're going to come across and just kind of sink it in a little bit and then come back up. Again, right here. Sink it in and have it come back out. So then on this side here, you want to draw this curve right here. So from here, you want to draw this curve. So after that, we're going to draw the middle, the little wrap in the middle. So it's going to be the same kind of curve as this. So we're just going to start here. Just curve. And then we're going to draw the other one, other end. Okay. So simple enough. So now we're going to draw those little, two little hooks. So it's going to be flatter here. And then on this side, a little bit wider, just because it's in perspective. So now we're going to close this off, just round it off. Okay, so that's one. So again, we're going to draw the curve here. Just exactly the same as the other one. This one's a little bit straighter. And then we're just going to round it off, close it. Round it off and close it. All right, and there's just gonna be these little spikes, right? Okay, on both sides. Let's draw a little triangle, and in the middle, there's a little bit of shaping here. Yeah, let's draw a little bit of that, just to give it a little bit more detail. All right, now for the wrapping. So here's the end that opens up. Okay, so we're just gonna come across. So now the fun part, we're gonna draw this swirl. So it's actually pretty easy to do. What you want to do is just come down a little bit, and then now we're just gonna go all the way around. And we're just gonna draw a swirl. So once you get up to here, just go in. Okay. So I don't know how long this is gonna take, but however thick you want it to make it. So just we gotta go all the way in until we reach to the end. So probably right around there. And that is it for this bandage. This is really easy and actually pretty fun to do, right? So hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.